Guys, this is Michael from JTech. I am here to tell you about the AC system from a 98 Audi. This little contraption we have here is actually a AC unit or HVAC system that they took out of the car and set up on this cart, so we can make kind of like videos on how everything works and whatnot. So the first thing we have here is the is your AC control stuff, and you like the name says, you can control your AC stuff here and whatnot. And here's your ducts where it blows out at you or down to your feet or to your windows and whatnot. Back here, all this will be underneath your dashboard and halfway into your engine bay. The air will come into here, which is the intake, and from there it will go through the low pressure tubes to the accumulator dryer, which actually dries out the air and makes it so that it's not hot and humid or cold and wet in your car when you have the air on. From there it goes into the compressor, which compresses all the gas and makes it, kind of more stable. So from the compressor, it goes down here into the condenser, which I don't know how well you can see that. This cools it. If you have like the AC on, it'll cool down your all the air with all these electric fans, and since it sets in front of your radiator, it'll work a little bit better. From there, it'll come back up here through the high pressure side, through the what is called an orifice tube. And from what the orifice tube does, it basically, this is the orifice tube. This is it helps dissipate the liquid mist to a gas, because with all the I don't know if it'll focus, but in between these little grids right here is a mesh, and up here as well there's a mesh, and it actually sits up here like that, and you have a little tool that grabs onto these little wings, and you can twist it and pull it out, and that way it'll work better. But the gas comes up through, or the mist comes up through the orifice tube section of the evaporator. It goes through the orifice tube into the evaporator, which then pushes the air out into the cabin or into the defroster and the vents to where you're at. And that's what an HVAC system does. Hope to see you guys next time.